There was a time in 1966 when Nazir Hussain was making a movie which had Shami Kapoor in the lead. And S.D. Burman told him, why don't you try R.D. Burman? And Nazir Hussain said, R.D. Burman for Shami Kapoor is something I can't imagine, because Shami Kapoor means he would prefer Shankar Jaikishan. Then they spoke to Shami Kapoor and Shami Kapoor said, ठीक है देख लेते हैं कैसे म्यूजिक देते हैं. तो R.D. Burman composed. He was a good mouth organ player. And he composed one song. There's a few lines. And after that, Shami was sold. He composed, no? दीवाना मुझसा नहीं. And then Shami Kapoor tried his head movement. He said, oh yeah, it perfectly matches. And they signed R.D. Burman for Teesri Manzil. And this song was picturized on Shami Kapoor. This is not a song for which you can easily dance. You should see the movie and see how Shami Kapoor dances for this. Unique composition, unique picturization. Let's listen to this. तुमने मुझे देखा. Mohan will sing it for you. तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जान मन जान जा. तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जान मन जान जा. तुमने मुझे देखा. कहीं दर्द के सहरा में रुकते चलते होते, इन होठों की हसरत में तपते जलते होते, मेहरबान हो गई जुल्फ की बदलियां, जान मन जान जा. तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जान मन जान जा. तुमने मुझे देखा. लेकर ये हंसी जलवे, तुम भी न कहाँ पहुँचे, आखिर तुम मेरे दिल तक कदमों के निशान पहुँचे, खत्म से हो गए रास्ते सब यहाँ। जान मन जान जा तुमने मुझे देखा, होकर मेहरबान रुक गई ये ज़मीन, थम गया आसमान। जान मन जान जा तुमने मुझे देखा, होकर मेहरबान रुक गई ये ज़मीन, थम गया आसमान। जान मन जान जा तुमने मुझे देखा। In any music show, it's very difficult to leave out O.P. Nayyar, and the maximum songs are generally occupied by O.P. Nayyar because of the lokapriyata, the love and the pep that he creates.